Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video we have a brand new Makartt Decor sets that I am going to show you. Now I have already filmed this part and unboxed everything and I lost all the footage. So everything is opened already, so I'm just going to quickly go through it and quickly show you guys what Makartt has to offer. And if you guys want, you can go to the Makartt website and order it for yourself. You can use my 15% off discount code. Everything will be linked down below. There are 3 rhinestone kits, and each rhinestone kit comes with a wax pencil. Really nice. Okay, so the first one here is your regular crystal rhinestones. Okay, so they have from really big to really small. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you have your AB rhinestones from really big to really small. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last rhinestone kit is a variety of colors. All right, and this is the 3rd rhinestone kit, where you get a lot of beautiful colors, and then you get a couple that are like have that AB shine or that iridescent shine, which is absolutely gorgeous. For the next 3 things that I'm going to show you guys, it is the glitters. So this one here is like your Halloween glitters. So we've got all different kinds. You've got pumpkins, you got bats, you got spiders, you got cats, witches, you've got stars, you've got some mylar, you got some circle glitter, you got ghosts, you got the black and gold and white, you got holographic black, lots of beautiful like larger glitter. Alright, and then you have this one here that has all stars and very fine glitter with the stars. Now I was showing you, when you do get these, they have saran wrap on the outside and then they have saran wrap on top of this part, and it's easy to pull that off by pulling this off first and then peeling off the saran wrap, because it's going to be over all the glitters and it's going to be really hard if you're trying to do it one by one. So I did show that. Like I said, the footage is gone, but here are all the beautiful color stars that you'll get. A lot of these are holographic, and then the next one here is hollowed heart glitters. All different colors of hearts, and they all have an iridescent shimmer to them. Again, this one had the saran wrap, so I was able to pop that right off and take the saran wrap off. Super easy, but look at all that beautiful iridescent hollowed hearts. A lot of these, now each one of these came with stickers. Now I'm not sure which ones went to which, because they're all together. With these glitters that I just showed you, these come with those. And what these are is, it says it's gel glue. It's not gel glue. It's not a gel. It is, it's just a glue. And what I like about this is it's got a pump, and you just pump it out, and you can rub it on the nail and it will glue on your gems or your sequins or just whatever. But it is air dry. I did try curing it and it would not cure, so. But there are 3 of them, and like I said, they come individually with those glitters, with those glitter packs. This is the, like, I guess it would be like a Valentine set, or you could even use some of the red for Christmas. But you've got your glitters, you've got your chunky charms, you got some larger heart gems, you got some Fimo hearts, you've got your rainbow rhinestones, your red rhinestones, your matte hearts, and some more glitter. I believe this one, all right, there was another one, I'm pretty sure, you guys, but like I said, I don't know which one, but I will go ahead and show you this one. It's really pretty. I do apologize. I'm sure someone out there will have the correct stickers that goes to the correct glitters. Next one up here is a lot of 3D charms. You have flies with like gold glitter. You've got bows with gold glitter. You've got regular white bows, black bows, pink bows, purple bows, like tan and then white. And these kind of like are like kind of sheer, but they're really, really pretty. And then in these pots, you got your foil. So you've got a hollow foil, a silver, a gold, a bronze. So really, really nice set there. And then again, you've got more stickers that goes with that. Again, I do not know which ones those are, but I'm gonna show you. They have 2 sets of white flowers. I think they're all roses. And then we have a set of the black roses. Now keep in mind the stickers again do not go with what I'm showing you, but 3 stickers do go with each set, okay? All right, the next one up is the blue. So we've got a hollow black glitter. We've got some silver and blue glitter with like blue starburst, holographic starburst, blue glitter, and then we've got regular like large hexy glitters, chunky charms, beautiful like iridescent gems, some random gems that are different colors, red, pinks, and then you've got your gold alloys, and then we've got some beautiful mylar there, and then you've got some hexy blue, all different blue colors, and then you've got these 2 glitters that are really, really pretty, kind of like a cat eye. And then we have the stars. We have these holographic moons and like the galaxy. And then we have this one here. And then we have this one. This is, I actually used these 3 in today's look. These 3 glitters here. And then it's got the same colored rhinestones. And then you got your gold alloys here. And then flip it. You've got more foil, which I used the gold in the video. And then we got some more stickers. We've got these beautiful gold stickers that I used also in the video. And these that I used, a couple of them in the video. I like this one. It kind of reminds me of the Gucci because it's got like the little bee and it's got like the circle, 2 circles together. Really, really cute. And then we've got the stars and the moons and really adorable. And last but not least, we have this set, which is probably one of my favorites. I did use these 2 in the video. These 2 white with gold trim gems. And then you've got your metal alloys here that are hollow. You've got circles, hearts, diamonds, and squares. You've got your pointy back crystals. You've got silver and gold and clear micro beads. And then you've got your pearls. And then you've got some clear, like iridescent pearls. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love that set. And then we have this sticker, and this sticker sheet. So let's go ahead. I'm going to add some music and you guys can watch me do my nail set. So before I even begin, I'm going to let you guys know I am using my Enail Couture Extreme Square Nails. And there we have it, you guys. There's my nail look. I did decide just to go ahead and go glossy after I saw the matte. I really didn't care for it. So that's how I decorated them. It was so fun. I absolutely love Makartt's brand new decor kit. There's so many things you can do with it. So many fun things. And look, the underside is glittery. Of course, because that's where I put the glitter. But anyway, I thought that was fun because we got glitter on the underside too. So you almost got like two designs in one. You know what I mean? So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know down in the comment section below. And let me know if you guys are going to order some of the new decor sets that they have to offer. And like I said, all links will be down in my description box along with my 15% off discount code. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, share it with a friend, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye, ladies.